There's one thing we know for sure, interest rates have gone up in the last 3 months. Unless you have been in Siberia, if you turn on the news, you turn on the radio, you hear it every day. Rates are going up, rates are going up. Not a whole lot we can do about the interest rates of Worldwide RV, and they'll probably be higher a year from now. In recognition of that, Worldwide RV has entered into a special purchasing program with Jayco. What that means is we are buying in bulk the most popular floor plans of fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, motorhomes. We have a huge selection right now. What we're going to do with that discount we're getting from Jayco is we're going to pass the savings on to you. So whatever your payment was 3 months ago, when you come in, yeah, we can't do a lot about the interest rate. However, we're going to give you historically low pricing on whatever you pick, and that is going to offset the fact that the rates are higher so that you have the same payment you did 3 months ago. I'm going to do this now through the end of July. It's going to be our interest rate offset program here at Worldwide RV. We're located on Main Street between Higley and Greenfield. Come on down. Again, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Thanks for watching.